Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss a very amazing and interesting AI tool for your data analysis. So today we are going to discuss four website guys. So we have so many AI tools for data analysis, but today we are going to cover four websites. They are the insight patterns and trending in data analysis. So here are some examples of our website. First one is the tableau.com. This website provides you to the data visualization analysis that can help identify trends and pattern in data analysis field or the data science field. Move on, the another website is a Power BI. It's a business analysis services provided by Microsoft, and this tool guys is it's a very interesting AI tool to provide predictive analysis and data visualization. So simple, you can easily log in here, and now you can see in this picture it is the capability of as a user friendly report creation tool available here. So it's also a very interesting and amazing AI tool if you want to boost up your business. So move on, the next website, its name is Data Robotic, or this website guys is an automated machine learning platform, and if it's help you to build and deploy productive models. So if you want to, now you can see that here is the some examples here. It's provide here the predictive model, so pre-designed development and the template they will provide you. So move on, the next website, last on the list, is a rapid minor, and this website guys is it's a very interesting and amazing platform for the data sciences. This platform provide you AI uses with data preparation, analysis and modeling. Same as that, they also provide you the data engineering. So guys, they are the few example. They all are the AI tool available for data analysis. So each tool has its own strength and weakness, and the choices of which one do you use will depend on the specific need of your project. So they are the very useful and effective websites for your projects. So I hope guys you can easily understand today's lecture. So we will be meet inshallah on another tutorial. So take care of yourself and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Then bye bye.